Ngayon, magtatanggal tayo ng spark plug. Dadiagnose natin ito mamaya. Okay? Ayan, ang style niya, tatanggalin natin tong cover na to. Yan. Yan. Yan.
Ano sira yan, Marlon?
Misfire siya, number 3 and number 4. Ngayon, idadiagnose natin
Ay baka
to.
bali ang langis niyan.
Possible, kaya yung tubig, putol-putol.
Yan.
Yan natin malalaman. Ngayon, tatanggalin natin to. Bago natin matatanggal tong ano pala, no? Pag magdi-DIY kayo, tatanggalin natin tong tornilyo na to. Iaangat natin yan. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-diagnose ng coil.
Coil pack assembly.
Coil plug assembly, okay? Pero dahil alam na natin na cylinder number pa ang problema, possible nandito tayo mag-i-start. Mag-uumpisa ang number 1 kung alin yung malapit sa water pump. Kaya magiging ito number 1. Kaya number 2, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Kaya malalaman nyo kung alin ang cylinder number 1 dyan, kung alin yung malapit dito sa harap. Okay? Dito. Kaya 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayon sa ating scanner, ang naging problema niya dito. Kaya tatanggalin natin ngayon yan. I-diagnose natin, no? Okay? Yan. Tinawag ko si Elmer. Yang ating team leader yan dito. Para siya yung magkakrank. Ha? I-crack mo lang. Ha? Dali. Kakiga. Okay. Sige. Up ya. Okay. Meron. Ito. Sige. Meron. Up ya. Okay. Crank. Meron din. Ito, balik ulit meron Ibig sabihin buo yung coil pack niya. Okay, start. Meron, opya. Okay. Start. Okay. Start. Okay. Meron. Start. Okay. Patay. Meron. Ibig sabihin buo yung coil pack.
Okay, what's the final?
After diagnosing, using my special tools,
Okay.
oil coil is good. There is electricity.
So what's wrong? Spark plug?
Maybe possible. One of the cause of the misfire. That's why I want to check first the spark plug. I will check if there is a misfire. So first of all, before you remove the spark plug like this, everything, you need to clean first this one. Need to spray. Remove some debris inside or dust. Maybe after you open the spark plug, there's some debris inside, and then when you remove the spark plug will going inside. That's why first you need to spray this. Okay?
Acha. Okay.
Tayo mag-push.